Assalamualaikum grade 1. Today we are doing some copy work. We start from unit 2, clean and healthy. Write like this. Now the next page, we start from homework and date. Unit 2, lesson 1, topic keeping clean. Question number 1, what other things do you do to keep clean? Okay. Answer: to keep ourselves clean, we should take bath, brush our teeth, comb our hair, take, bath, bath, brush, brush, ourtedh, teeth, brush our teeth, comb, hair, hair, comb our hair. The next question number 2, write what things do you need to keep yourself clean? हमें अपने आप को साफ करने के लिए किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सोप, draw soap like this, SOAP, soap, toothpaste, TOOTH, tooth, PASTE, paste, toothpaste, TOWEL, towel, COMB, comb. You have to draw these pictures. Take care. Allah Hafiz.